welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today's the first day on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, my name is Oluko Antideke. Wow, 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. This is only possible because of every single one of you. Last week Sunday, we hit our first 100 subscribers. Please keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting, it's really encouraging. Thank you so much. Just like I will normally greet everyone in Yoruba language, but today we are going to be doing it together. Yes, so ẹ káàárọ̀ means good morning, ẹ káàsán means good afternoon, ẹ káalẹ́ means good evening. Okay, and today we're going to be doing it together. All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. Well done. Akudede wo níbi gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Tí òní bá jọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ máa wá sí orí ètò ẹ wò, inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí ẹ káàbọ̀. Adé ọgọ́rùn-ún alábàápín lórí YouTube. Ẹ ṣeun, ẹ wò, bọ́bá gẹṣin nínú mi kò lè kọsẹ̀. Ẹ ṣeun wípé adé ọgọ́rùn-ún alábàápín. Ẹ wò, ẹ kú ìfẹ́ tẹ́ ní Olùkọ́ Antideke. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidi gan ni o. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó sú wa, ẹ má jẹ́ kó rẹ̀ wá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ máa bá wa nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí, ẹ máa bá wa pín láàárín àwọn ọ̀rẹ́, ojúlùmọ̀, aráalé, ẹ bá wa pín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sì máa bára wa fi ọ̀rọ̀ jomi toro ọ̀rọ̀ lábẹ́ ètò yìí. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidi gan. Lórí ètò lónìí a máa kọ́ nípa àwọn fáwẹ́lì àtàwọn kọ́nsọ́náǹtì èdè Yorùbá. A tún máa kọ́ nípa àwọn òǹkà èdè Yorùbá látorí 1 dórí 10. A ní fáwẹ́lì 7 nínú èdè Yorùbá. A sì ní kọ́nsọ́náǹtì 18. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ bí mo bá ṣe kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Ẹ ṣeun gidi gan. All right, guys. Today we're going to be learning about the vowels and the consonants of Yoruba language. Now, contrary to English language, you've got 5 vowels, okay? But in Yoruba, we've got 7 of them, simply because E is repeated twice and O is repeated twice, like we've learned in the last few weeks. And consonants, we've got 18 of them. Like there are 25 alphabets in Yoruba language. So if you take 7 alphabets out of 25, you're going to have 18 left. So there are 18 consonants in Yoruba alphabets. So please repeat after me, okay, as we learn the vowels first and then we learn the consonants, okay? So please repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Did you get that? Yes. Give it a try again. A, E, I, O, U. Beautiful. So now we're going to learn the consonants as well. So the consonants of Yoruba language are B, D, F, G, B, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, Sh, T, W, Y. All right? Did you get that? Should we take it again? B, D, F, G, B, G, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, Bi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, Wi, Yi. Beautiful, beautiful, well done. So today we will be learning about Yoruba numbers. Okay, we're going to be learning from 1 to 10 for today. Okay, now please repeat after me. 1, ọ̀kan. Yes. 2, èjì. Beautiful. 3, ẹ̀ta. Nice. 4, ẹ̀rin. Yes. 5, àrún. 6, ẹ̀fà. Yes. 7, èje. Yes. 8, ẹ̀jọ. Right. 9, ẹ̀sán. 10, ẹ̀wá. Beautiful. Give yourself a round of applause. That is beautiful. Well done. Yes, well done. So 3 things we've learned today, guys. We know good morning is ẹ káàárọ̀. Yes. We know good afternoon is ẹ káàsán. And we know good evening is ẹ káalẹ́. And of course, we know ó dàbọ̀ is goodbye. Yes. And I'll be prompting you when to say that. Also today, we've learned about our Yoruba vowels. We've learned about our Yoruba consonants. And also we've learned how to recite 1 to 10. Okay, so please, I would love to receive more videos, more voice notes from our mommies and our daddies on how well we've done, okay, so far, especially with our Yoruba alphabet. Thank you so very much. I'll be going back to our parents. Ẹ ṣeun gan ni lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ fún àkókò yín tẹ́ fún wa ní òní yìí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣì máa kọ́ wa náà ni ẹ ṣeun gidi gan. All right, guys, we're ready to say our ó dàbọ̀ on the count of 1, 2, 3, go.